Nicole Kidman goes to obedience school in Misfiring Babygirl. Golden Globe-nominated Babygirl is yet another example of an erotic subgenre that we're told rarely gets made. But is that still true? Older women and younger men featured in films as diverse as Good Luck to You, Leo Grande, The Idea of You, Triangle of Sadness, May December, and a rare comic take on the idea, No Hard Feelings. There are not many laughs in Babygirl, even though in many ways it's a variation on the old Billy Wilder sex comedy 7 Year Itch, but with Nicole Kidman in the middle-aged Tom Mule role and Harris Dickinson as Marilyn Monroe. We meet Romy, Kidman, who seems to have everything. She's CEO of a hugely successful tech company. She's got a lovely home, 2 lovely teenage daughters, and a lovely husband, Antonio Banderas, no less, who can't get enough of her. And yet somehow, it's not enough. Banderas isn't giving her what she wants, what she needs. And Romy finds herself unable to tell him what that is. I couldn't help wondering whether I really wanted to butt into territory more suited to Romy's therapist. But that shows how out of touch with the zeitgeist of the times I am, where butting into this territory is the whole point of most reality TV. Most reality TV after 9:30 at night, at least. One day Romy is walking to work when she sees an angry dog instantly tamed by a good-looking young man, played by Dickinson. Something about Samuel catches Romy's attention, not least his dog-whispering abilities. Incidentally, if the name Harris Dickinson is still unfamiliar to you, remember the young, pretty chaps in Where the Crawdads Sing, Maleficent, Triangle of Sadness, The Iron Claw, and Blitz? They were all him. Romy sees Samuel again shortly afterwards at her office. He's one of the latest intake of interns at her company. What are the chances? I suspect if Samuel didn't look like Dickinson, his rudeness to the boss on his first day would have had him been thrown out on his ear. But clearly this isn't that sort of movie. This is the sort of movie where Romy tries to pull rank on this insolent young pup, only to find he's got all the answers. His dog-whispering abilities transfer to arrogant bosses too, it seems. She may look as if she wants to throw her weight about, but deep down she wants to be treated with total contempt. No sooner than you can say 50 Shades of Grey, or possibly Time's Up if you're that way inclined, Romy is being bossed around to her heart's content. To be fair, with a mostly all-women creative team, a lot of effort goes into pointing out that this isn't a Harvey Weinstein situation. The power is more shared out, it seems. If you say so. The you here being writer-director of Babygirl, a Dutch actress called Helena Rain. But as the story continues, Samuel starts to behave a bit like a sinister fatal attraction. No bunnies are boiled in the making of Babygirl, if you need reassuring. But there's certainly a lot of humiliation and condescending dismissals of our troubled CEO. The film is called Babygirl, after all. And the parallels with how Romy wants to be treated and the behavior of your average household pet are made early and often. I believe some well-meaning chaps attempt to join in the Babygirl fun, asking things like, am I an Antonio or a Harris character? They needn't bother. Anyone in Babygirl not played by Nicole Kidman doesn't really count. In this sort of erotic fantasyland, it's probably best to let the people concerned just get on with it.